Welcome back to our Logistify tutorial series. Today, we're going to show you how to check job status and clear bookings using our dispatch software. Let's get started. First, to check the job status, go to the booking summary dashboard. Find the job you want from the list available. Once the driver has accepted the job in the app, click Approve in green in the driver column. A pop-up will appear with the driver and vehicle details. You can change the driver if needed using the drop-down menu. Click Update to save any changes. The tracking details will appear in the box. As the driver updates the trip status in the app, you'll be notified on the booking summary dashboard. Each update changes the color of the box. For example, if the driver is on the way, the box will turn gray. When the driver arrives at the location, it will change to red. You can right-click on the Track Driver icon in green in the driver column and select Open in New tab to track the driver in real time. Back at the booking summary dashboard, when the passenger boards, the color changes to orange. You can also track the vehicle by right-clicking again to open a new tab. When the status changes to clear, the box will turn bright yellow. After the trip, the driver checks the back seat to see if anything is left by the passenger. They confirm that nothing is left, and if they receive a parking ticket, they can indicate the amount and provide proof of the ticket. Finally, they click Complete Ride. The completed job will appear on the Completed Jobs list in the driver app. Back at the dashboard, go to the Cleared Bookings option. This will direct you to the list of all cleared bookings. You can customize your search by entering the job number. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check job status and clear bookings in Logistifie. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.